Hello traders, this is MsPutOptions. My website is www.MsPutOptions.com, where my website can best be accessed through Internet Explorer and not Google Chrome. Today, LinkedIn, the ticker symbol is LNKD. LinkedIn Corporation is announcing earnings today. I don't know if you can see in this little area here. This is where they are announcing earnings. I don't see. I'm gonna see if I can get that to pop up. Probably not. But they're announcing earnings today. I'm gonna show you this trade. Um, just a little snippet of it. I personally am not going to be trading this trade. I call this the Iron Condor, the customized Iron Condor. And I have several personal reasons why I'm not going to be doing LinkedIn. It could be successful, maybe not. Uh, During earnings time, the stock has a tendency to fluctuate seriously, and it looks like as of today, which is the first, um, LinkedIn has nothing else better to do but to go up because as you can see right now, it's trading for 162.40. So there's a possibility it could be successful, and there's a possibility it might fail the earnings. So the next slide I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain to you how this works. All right. Okay, so we're looking at the actual customized on Condor. Like I said, LinkedIn is having earnings today, which is 5/1/2014. It has 8 days until expiration. So what do you do with the customized on Condor? What you basically do is you sell, buy, sell. You can determine your own amount of contracts. I decided upon 10 contracts. The ticker symbol for LinkedIn is LNKD. Expiration will be in 8 days, which is the second week of May 2014. And so what I do, I have two call options, one that I sell, one that I buy, and two put options, one that I sold and one that I bought. So in a nutshell, the in order for this to be profitable, the stock has to fall above my short strike, my short call. It has to go above 170, or it has to go below my short put. It has to go below 150 in order for this to be profitable. So this is how it works in a nutshell. You're going to initially, when you place this trade, you're going to have a debit, and these particular strike prices, this is not a recommendation, this is a demonstration. So don't go picking these strike prices thinking you're going to profit. It depends on the particular time that you actually place the trade. So at the time I placed this particular trade, which I didn't actually place it because I don't think LinkedIn will profit, it's going to give me a debit of $8.20. And what happens is that at the end of expiration, you would sell this back for a credit. This $8.20, you would sell it back for a credit of $10. And where do I get the $10? I get the $10 from the difference in my strike prices. The difference between 170 and 160 is 10, and the difference between 160 and 150 is 10. So I would take the $10, which is now going to be a credit, and take away the 820 debit, and that would leave me 80 cents. And 80 cents times 10 contracts, which this is my 10 contracts. And since this is a weekly option, it's 100 shares. And that would give me a profit of $800 in 8 days. So basically, that's what $100 a day up until the expiration for doing nothing but glancing at the computer every once in a while. So this is called customized iron condor. I personally do not think this trade is going to be profitable, but looking at the actual chart of LinkedIn, it has nowhere else to go at this point but up. It's right at, we said it was trading at about 162. If it lands here in between, if it lands between our long call and long put, then the trade we lose out. And this is what I teach, or will be teaching in my intermediate course, how you do the customized iron condor, because it's very, very profitable. So if you want to know more about it, starting next month, which will be June, I will be coming out with my intermediate course, where I'm going to be coming out with a lot more new material for you guys to learn. And I just really love the customized iron condor. So, like I said, this is a demonstration and not a recommendation. And what I want you guys to do, I'm not going to do a follow-up video on here, but what I want you guys to do is to watch LinkedIn to see that on expiration Friday, which is 8 days from today, if it falls higher than 170 or lower than 150, is currently trading at 162, then that means if MsPutOptions would have actually placed this trade, I would have got $800, and that's basically $100 a day for sitting by the computer. So money can be easily made just like that, you guys. So again, my website is www.msputoptions.com, where it can be accessed through Internet Explorer and not Google Chrome. And starting the end of next month, I'm getting together a intermediate course. All right, you guys have a great day.